Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hello. So you want to know more about sperm count in dogs? These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about sperm count in dogs is www.webmd.com. See the page titled Sperm, How Long Sperm Live, Sperm Count, and more. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site en.wikipedia.org, especially the page Semen Analysis, Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see www.razaelian.com. The web page Sperm, How to Improve Volume, Count and Health. Here's the link.